you ready? Let's go! Yeah! For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, yo. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Fort Minor.
Hey guys, welcome back to today. So today we're going to be working on the Pro R Pro Armored Edition. We're going to be installing the Ibexx Economy Kit Turbo Kit. So we're going to start, we're going to take the rear bumper off and then take the back plastic off, and then we're going to be taking the rear seats out and all that, and here we go. All right, so we got the exhaust removed, the header pipe removed, we got the whole bumper and everything removed. So now we've got all this gone. Now we'll get in here, we'll get the new header pipe studs put on and get the start getting the turbo mounted. We'll get in, get the back seat and stuff removed, start getting the cooler, water to air intercooler and everything mounted. We'll get this plate removed. This is where our turbo drain line and stuff is going to come from and go to. So yep, so keep watching. Now what we're going to do, we got all the spark plugs out, we're going to put plugs in, but we're going to check the gaps on the plugs. When you're dealing with any sort of boost, you want to make sure your gaps in your plugs are all the same and right. Alright guys, so we lost some footage from the install, but we're just going to run over a quick few things from the install of the Ibexx turbo kit and everything. So we got the turbo and everything installed. So this is the coolant line. This one goes up to your Degas bottle up top, and the one on the back side, if the turbo you can't see, is the one that goes into the top of your valve cover. This is your oil drain line. It goes into over here to the back, and this is your oil feed line, which is going to run from over here that we didn't get in the install video. It's going to come in right behind into your oil filter housing right back here, and your catch can. This is where we mounted our pump at for your cooler and all this, and just tidied it all up. And when we did our injectors, you want to make sure when you do your injectors you clean up the surface really good before you tear any of that apart. When you're installing your new injectors, you want to use some type of lube to lube your O-rings up so everything slides in really nice and neat, and make sure your locks go back into place securely. But all in all, it was a simple install. It went really well. And the clutch, we got the tuning and stuff done, and this thing, we've done put miles on this kit, and it is a ripper. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check out the website to get some cool merch and cool hats. Thanks for watching.